Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to make an account and sign up on freelancer.com and hire people. So for today's video, we're gonna be talking about freelance and how you can use freelancer.com to hire talented professionals for your project needs. Whether you need a graphic designer, a software developer, a writer, or maybe for example, you have a homework that you need help with. You can head to freelancer.com and get all of your project needs met. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. So you want to go to freelancer.com. You can type that in the search bar above, or just simply type freelancer on Google and the first link will lead you here. Once you're on this page right here, you can click on hire a freelancer if you want to hire people, which is what we're doing today, or you can earn money freelancing, but that will be the topic for another video. So why would you want to choose freelancer.com? This is the world's largest freelance marketplace. You can get any job that you can possibly think of. You can save up to 90% and get quotes for free, and you only pay when you're 100% satisfied and you've got the job done. So from here, once you're on this page, I want you to click on sign up. And then from here, you're gonna need to enter your email address and password. You can also continue with Facebook if you want to save time with signing up, but I'm going to be creating a new account using a new email. Once you've entered your details, it's gonna ask you to choose a unique username. Now, you need to note that your username will not be changed in the future. You cannot, like Instagram, for example, go ahead and change it. It's gonna give you some suggestions based on your email. So choose whatever suits you. I'm gonna click on this random one and then press next. After that, it's gonna select what type of account you want to create. Do you want to work or do you want to hire? So we're gonna select the second option here, and this can be changed later stage, but for now we want to hire. And after that, it's gonna say, welcome to the world's largest freelancing marketplace. You can get started with it. So there are three types of things that you can choose in order to start or to get a job done. You can either put a listing, so you can post a job of what you need and give more details of exactly what you need. And then people are gonna be sending you proposals based on that job. And then you can select the freelancer that you want to hire. Another thing that you can do is that you can browse the freelancers' profiles and select a specific person for the right job, right? And then for the third option, you can explore Showcase, which is basically you see the amazing work that people put out, and then you hire the one based on the skill set that you want. So to get started, let's click on Explore Showcase, just so I show you what you can see on there. This is where you basically find inspiration for the kind of work that you want. As you can see, this work is absolutely amazing. The skills of these people is just absolutely very high. If you're into like anime, or you want an NFT or some illustration. For example, let's choose an energy drink package design. You can see the freelancer that worked on it, as well as different jobs that they have done. So this is the job that we see right here, and if you like their job, you can click on their profile right here, and now you can see the stats that they have and their previous work. You can also look at their reviews and see what other people that have hired them said about them. And if you like this person's work, for example, you can simply request a quote or invite to project. So it is completely free. You can simply press on post a project, and then it will automatically send an invitation to this freelancer in order for you to hire them. The second option that we have is that you can browse the freelancers' profiles, which is very helpful, and I'll tell you why in just a second. You can look at the people's profile, the freelancers' profiles or agencies, and then you can see the rates per hour so that you can choose a specific person for the type of job that you want and know what to expect in terms of payment. If let's say you have an urgent project and you need it done right now and you cannot wait until you post a project and then wait for people to send you proposals and then choose from that, you want to get your job done right away. This is where this becomes very handy. As you can see the online option right here, you can simply press on it and it's going to show you the freelancers that are online and available to work right away. So if you send a message to someone who's online, chances are they're going to respond right away and then get you your project or your job done. So moving on to the third option, you can post a job right away, and then this is the traditional way in which you can wait. So choose a name for your project. Let's say the type of project that we want is graphic design. So you click graphic design, press enter. And then what is the purpose of the design? Let's say it's for branding. You have a brand and you want like a logo for it or something. Do you have a specific color scheme or style in mind? You can say no, but I have a rough idea, or I'm open to anything. What format should it be? Let's say JPG. And then the website will automatically create the description for you. You can now summarize this project description and then rewrite it to however you like, or for example, delete it altogether and then write whatever description that you want. I'm going to keep it for now, and then you can attach files so that you give more information. For example, a little bit about your company or your brand, what kind of logo or design that you want, what suits you, the color format, all that. Once you've done that, you press on next. And then you choose what skills are required for this. So yeah, logo design, graphic design. The website will help you and it will automate this process for you. And then you press on next. How would you like to get it done? You either post a project, or you can also start a contest. So the cool thing about the contest is that you can set a deadline and then tell people what kind of logo that you want designed, and then people can get creative with it. And once you funded this contest, you can easily choose a winner through which you will get access to their work, and then you will get to keep that to yourself obviously, and they will get paid based on the prize that you have specified at the start. So let's say you decided which project that you are currently in need of and you posted a job proposal. However, you're not getting a lot of people applying to this job because your profile is incomplete and it doesn't really look attractive. Here are some ways on how you can enhance the look of your profile so that people apply to it and you get your job proposed to as quickly as possible. So the first thing that you guys want to do is that you want to verify your email. It's going to give you a badge saying that your email is verified, which is likely to be, like you're a real person and there is not like a random job offer scamming people and all that. So make sure that you verify all of your information, use real information, and it's all going to be shown on your profile and will help you earn people's trust. To access all the settings to your profile so that you can complete it as soon as possible, you can head over and hover over your name and then go down to view profile. After that, you want to press on edit profile, and then you can choose a headline for yourself, write a little summary, and then after that you want to add a little bit more about your company in the portfolio items, some reviews that they will be showing once you've actually landed your first job or offered a job and then people leave a review. You can add more about experience that you have. If you want the kind of education, qualifications, all of that, it will make your profile look more complete, more solid, and it will earn you more credibility. And the last thing that I want to talk about is you can also hover over your profile right here and then go to settings. And then after that, you want to make sure that your profile right here looks as complete as possible. I can't stress this enough. A complete profile will definitely land you jobs as well as land you proposals as quickly and efficiently as possible. Another thing that's super important to other people is that your payment and financials. You can add funds through this right here, and you can also add a payment method. And once your payment method is verified, it will also show to other people, and it will mean that you are 100% a real person and other people are more likely to trust you. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. I really hope that this was helpful and now you know how you can set up and customize your profile. If you found this video to be helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future content just like this one.